To measure how big an icon Sourav Ganguly is in Kolkata, we decided to go around seeing if we could find his home without knowing his address.
So we decided to ask people from all strata of society, and we started right in a hotel lobby.
Do you know the way to Sourav Ganguly's house?
Yeah, I know. I saw his house. Yeah. His house is so fantastic. No, it's not in Salt Lake. It's in Behala only.
Ganguly का घर पता है किधर है?
बहुत बड़ा में.
बेहाला में नहीं है?
हो सकता है, मैं बेहाला में मालूम नहीं है.
भाई साहब, सौरव गांगुली का घर कहाँ पे है? बेहाला. बेहाला में?
बेहाला कहाँ पर?
बेहाला कहाँ पर? ओके, थैंक यू. सौरव गांगुली का घर पता है किधर है? पीछे. सर, do you know where Sourav Ganguly's house is?
Take this left on the bridge.
Okay.
Keep driving down straight.
Okay.
Yeah. You will reach Behala Chaurasta.
Okay.
Ask anyone there.
तो रास्ता तो यही हुआ बाबू.
बेटा.
हाँ. वो ऑटो वाला से पूछिए थोड़ा उसका घर किधर है?
किधर है?
आप एक काम कीजिए अगले रोड से बड़ा तक घूम जाइए. घूम के देखिए एक बड़ा वाला मिष्टी दुकान है उसको ले लीजिए.
अच्छा. ओके. पहला गली, पहला लेफ्ट. थैंक यू.
একটু আগালে
आगे गিয়ে তারপরে লেফট.
আপনি হ্যাঁ ওখানে মেন আসতে যাবেন, ওখানে গিয়ে বলবেন আপনাকে দেখিয়ে
বাঁদিকে চলে যাবেন. বাঁদিকে গিয়ে মেন রোড পাবেন তো.
বাঁদিকে গিয়ে
যাবে. প্রথম গলি মিষ্টি দোকান আছে.
এখান দিয়ে রোডে উঠুন, বাদিকে যাবেন.
ওকে.
একটা মিষ্টির দোকান বড়. আচ্ছা. রবীন্দ্র মিষ্টান্ন ভান্ডার.
এই গলি में.
ये गली में. Ravindra, हाँ, correct.
At this point, we were clearly very close.
I'm sure Ganguly Hotel and Willow Tower came up after Sourav Ganguly became a cricket star.
Maybe a Dada restaurant and an off-site hardware shop are next.
Okay, so we asked close to 9 people randomly, and 7 of them knew precisely where he lived.
And we had started so many miles away. And the neighborhood is so middle class, much like Tendulkar's.
So here we are. However big an icon Ganguly may be, he's still the only one in Kolkata. So we decided to ask a few people why that is so.
There are lots of players right now. They're not getting the chance.
বাঙালি মধ্যে মানে সেই ইচ্ছাটা মানে চলে গেছে যখন দাদার বিরুদ্ধে এরকম একটা হলো ষড়যন্ত্র হয়তো নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে.
পার্সিয়ালিটিরও ব্যাপার আছে.
Partiality.
সেরকমভাবে চান্স পাইনি. ভালো ট্যালেন্ট থাকা সত্ত্বেও যেমন এখনকার ইন্ডিয়ান শাহ উইকেট কিপার ব্যাটসম্যান আমার তো মনে হয় ধোনির থেকে ভালো উইকেট কিপিং করে.
There are players in India, in Calcutta especially.
So why aren't they coming to the fore?
You need to have a very big financial background. First, number one. Secondly, আমাদের সারা জীবন কেটে যায় পড়াশোনাতে. Two factors should click: money and the background.
Talent has very little to do with facility. I don't believe it has anything to do with local culture, local diet, anything. So whether it is Calcutta or anywhere else, the people who come out, the odd person who comes out from Hyderabad or from Delhi or from Haryana, they're the freaks. Calcutta produced Sourav Ganguly, what more do you want? Bengalis and Bengal are great exhibitors, they're great actors, they're great musicians, and they produce great games, not cricketers. We produce great venues.
In gardens. Fair enough, in gardens, but that's full stop. It's very difficult to be specific, because if we had known, possibly we would have produced. Partly due to the season as well. In Calcutta, you know, because of the rain, you couldn't play too much of cricket. So maximum 4 months, and we have had terrible sports administrators, if I may say so, very, very poor. That is the reason you find not many people have progressed as far as they should have.
Don't forget, Ganguly is an amazing person, not for his cricket talent, but the fact that he was so positive, he was a fighter, which is what Bengalis are generally not known for being. I would say that they're very happy and contented race. So somewhere down, you know, this work ethic, and you know, you work hardest if you know your occupation is at stake. The entire institution of working for a living and working very hard for a living and working very, very hard for a living is looked down upon, because it's supposed to have an extremely capitalist end, especially what's happened in the last 35 years, 40 years, become a sea of mediocrity. And for essentially what was once a world-class city. They produce Renaissance thinkers. Or don't tell me they didn't work hard. But somewhere down the line, an entire concept of working hard for what, I think that's been distorted. We're deferential by nature. It's in our DNA. We're not fighters. Except probably the two really great fighters in the last 60 years, N.S. Bose and S. Ganguly.
Mother actually brought out a very interesting, innovative cricket book in the 1980s called the Penguin Book of Cricket Lists, which had entertaining insights in precise bullet points.
It changed my entire notion of lists. These were no listless lists.
Most publishers are focused on doing exhaustive, extensive, supposedly highfalutin work. But you know, it's the reverse which will sell. It's the tangential, the modular and the offbeat. The world has changed, but the format of creating books and format of conventional communication is still the same.
Reliance recently commissioned Mudar to do a private book on Tendulkar, which the general public might never see.
Once again, Mudar came up with an innovative way of celebrating Tendulkar and his achievements. Like the way it showed Bradman's 12 greatest players.
Or how he was named after John McEnroe.
Or how much Alan Border would pay to watch him bat.
Or what his advice to his son is.
Or his scoring sequence in his legendary first innings as opener.
Or the new adjective he will spawn.
Or the music he likes.
Or who he was named after.
Your audience is no longer 30 plus, audience is 8 plus. So can you do a book which, you know, reconciles the ages of 8 to 85, highly literate to moderately literate?
Meanwhile, we met up with our new friend Andy over Bengali food and challenged him into eating a whole raw chili.
The only way to know is jalapenos. Yes.
Keep something ready.
Give him some salads.
You will spit it out. Oh my god.
Whoa, what do we have here?
It's alright, it's not having any effect so far.
We have a bona fide Indian, if I may say so.
I can't have it. Oh my god.
Oh god.
You go and... These are hot stuff.
The first one didn't work. Someone asked him to have one more, and in his bravado he did.
That's more hot. That is a bit hot.
So are you going to go on?
No. Yeah, that is quite hot. The other one was a decoy.
Now you're talking. Oh!
That's like a roti ice cream.
Ice cream.
This was the decoy.
Oh shit.
Some bread would be good actually.
Yeah.
Is that rice still there? Is that... Have some of that. Thank you. I can't believe I was goaded into that.